Hey, what's up everybody? It's Meredith Shirk with Svelte Training, and I am super excited to have this amazing kale and romaine salad. Got lots of amazing ingredients in there like almonds, some raisins, and cranberries. So let's get into it. All right, so everybody knows that salads are healthy, but salads are boring. Salads can be super boring, and if you use the wrong dressing, they can be bad for you. So let's get into this kale and romaine salad. We've got some awesome ingredients I'm gonna walk through first, show you how to make it. It's super easy, as all these recipes, and then you can go enjoy this because I'm gonna eat this entire bowl, which is okay because it's a good salad. So this is what we have going here. Obviously, we've got romaine, we've got kale, super easy. You're just gonna get a head of romaine, a head of kale, you're gonna chop it up, and you can do it as thick or as thin as you want. I kind of like a chopped, like very chopped salad. And you can kind of hear that like that kind of crunching. One, that's me cutting on something I shouldn't cut on because it's late, but it's also how you are going to be cutting up your romaine. So I like a chopped salad. So you're gonna throw that in there. Then we've got all of these ingredients here on the side. We've got golden raisins, which are tangy, delicious. We also have raisins, which are just cranberries. I know there's just the brand, it's more expensive. You can just get dried cranberries that are unsweetened. So you want ones that don't add sugar. When you use cranberries, an interesting fact is that they actually reduce the acid in your mouth, which is kind of interesting. I had no idea. I looked that one up and I was very surprised to hear that. Then you have almonds. These are raw, obviously peeled. So when you get almonds, you can get toasted, you could get salted. I like roasted, unsalted almonds. These are that, but these are Marcona almonds, so they're a little bit different. So we've got all these ingredients, then the dressing. The dressing is probably the most important because it's the thing that you can mess up the most. A lot of people are like, oh, I got a salad and I put a cup of Thousand Island dressing on it. You're like, should have just had the burger and fries. Literally, it's the same thing. So what we did here was half of a lemon. So you're just gonna roll it, cut it in half, squeeze it, and then you can use something like avocado oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil, whatever you prefer. I like avocado oil and coconut oil over olive oil just because of the taste, but it's also just a preference. I would just use probably about a tablespoon of oil and then half of a lemon squeezed, mix it up, that's good to go. It just gets everything a little bit wet so you can actually enjoy eating it. You can also add different proteins like salmon or chicken or beef, something like that to get your salad a little bit more oomph when you're looking at the nutrition side of it. If you are someone who doesn't like meat, you can also add garbanzo beans, you can add more nuts, you can add tofu, whatever you want. This salad is super versatile, super easy, and it's really pretty. So everything always looks good with color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more of these cranberries in, maybe a little bit more of these golden raisins, couple more almonds, and all of a sudden you have an awesome salad that you can eat any time of day. You can also put it in your fridge, eat it for tomorrow. It's gonna stay for a couple days, and I would not dress it if you're gonna put it into the fridge because it's gonna make it soggy. So I'm gonna eat this all right now, so it doesn't really matter. Super easy, super simple, and very delicious. So for more recipes just like this, check out all of our videos. Get your workout on as well by checking out the videos. Make sure you check out Coach Grace, way better than me at workouts and recipes. She's coming on next. So I'll see you guys on the next one.